Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Index Exchange. Index Exchange, a comprehensive platform review and usage experience. Index Exchange is a prominent global advertising exchange offering header bidding technology and real-time programmatic advertising solutions. It caters to publishers, advertisers, and media buyers, aiming to maximize advertising revenue and overall efficiency. The platform fosters a transparent, independent, and high-performance marketplace, connecting premium publishers with top-tier demand sources. For publishers, Index Exchange provides server-side header bidding, which minimizes latency and boosts page load speed while simultaneously enhancing auction efficiency. Its seamless integration with pre-bid solutions guarantees fair and open competition among demand partners. This translates to higher CPMs, cost per mil, improved fill rates, and optimized yield management. The platform's analytics dashboard offers real-time performance insights, empowering publishers to make data-driven decisions for revenue maximization. On the advertiser side, Index Exchange provides access to high-quality, fraud-free inventory from premium publishers. Supporting various ad formats, including display, video, and connected TV, CTV, it ensures cross-device reach and high engagement. The platform's AI-powered auction mechanics optimize bidding strategies to improve ROI while upholding brand safety and transparency. A key differentiator for Index Exchange is its unwavering commitment to transparency and efficiency. Unlike many other ad exchanges, it operates on a 100% fee-transparent model, eliminating hidden markups. This ensures advertisers understand precisely where their budget is allocated, and publishers receive the highest possible revenue share. For brands prioritizing privacy and compliance, Index Exchange is fully compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and other industry regulations, guaranteeing secure and privacy-focused transactions. Furthermore, the platform supports identity solutions such as Unified ID 2.0 and LiveRamp, enabling advertisers to target audiences effectively in a cookieless environment. With its advanced header bidding capabilities, access to premium inventory, and dedication to transparency, Index Exchange stands out as a premier choice for publishers seeking to maximize ad revenue and advertisers looking for high-quality programmatic placements. If you need a robust, independent ad exchange, Index Exchange offers efficiency, scalability, and performance. Check the links in the description for further information.